Hi everyone, welcome back to CAD NEST YouTube channel and educational institution. This is Arshia here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use mark entry in Microsoft Word. In previous session, I have done with insert citation, table of contents and insert table of figures, insert caption. In today's video, I am going to show you how to insert mark entry in Microsoft Word. What is mark entry? Mark entry is nothing but to highlight interesting text. We'll use mark entry option here. It is same like table of contents and table of figures. Finally, we have to use the text over here. After selecting the text, like first you need to select the text which you want to highlight here. Example, I am selecting here insert tab here, then go to mark entry option. Just click here mark entry. Even you can use the shortcut key here, Alt Shift X. So this is the dialog box we can visible to see here. This is the main entry insert tab. Suppose if you want to make it as bold, just click on bold option, or else if you want to make it as italic, you can just click on italic. Again click on mark option here. After using mark option, again if you want to highlight one more text, same as it is what we have to do here. Example, I need to highlight this galleries. So how to highlight this galleries? Just you need to click this galleries option. Again you need to click on galleries. Again click on mark option. After using this mark option, you can see here in they are the block symbols. We need to remove that block symbol. So how to remove this block symbol? There are two methods to remove this block symbol. First, go to home tab. In home tab you can see this block symbol. From here you can remove this block symbol, or else you can use the shortcut key Ctrl Shift I. So you can see the block symbol have been removed over here. Now I need to see the text over here. So how to see the index of the text? First insert the blank page here. Control Enter is a shortcut key to insert blank sheet here. So after using blank sheet here, again you need to go to references. In references we'll get index option. Just click on insert index. Don't use anything over here, just click on OK option. You can see here galleries, it is in sheet 2, insert, it is in sheet 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.